Hi everyone, so today we will do review here the robot. This is a PuRuiKai. And the first is that you should put always here water, at least here on the top. This opens, you just pull it here from the top and then you fill it in. I already had the bottle here. Actually it was 100 milliliters, so I did put, let me see how much, I did put kind of 50, half 60, something like that. So as well you need to put here the cleaning cloth, so I'll try to put it for you to see. I just wanted you to show how to do it. Let's see, since this is elastic, you just need to fill it in. Of course you have here the button, so careful when you are doing, not to press. I just did press it and made the noise. But let's see. So this is quite tight cloth, so that's it. So you have a bunch of them to replace in case you need. You have my other video where I have the unboxing, so you can see everything that it comes in. And then how you do it, you have here the cable. This needs always to be connected with the cable. There is the chance that the cable disconnects, so then you will need to, then this has a backup of 10 minutes I think, so that's why we need to charge it in the beginning. And here you have the security. So I already tried a little bit the robot itself, so I will tell you that you definitely need to have the rope to tie it to somewhere. Of course you have windows, sometimes you don't have a place, so what I do, I just have a close by chair over here and I will put it around the arm of the chair, and that's it. And then how you turn it on, so basically you turn it here like I did now, so you will see the light here, red light. Then you put it in the window and you press in the power button, and then it will do the suction, and then it will stay let's say glued to the window. Then you press again and then it will start. So let's do it. So it's off, so let's turn it on. You hear a beep, and now let's put here in the window. It says in the instructions not to put here on the bottom, but to put here like some centimeters from the corner. So you just press it and now it's working. Of course you can see a bit of noise, you can hear it maybe, so it's a bit noisy. And then you have here the controller. If you don't want to use the controller, you can just go there and press in the button once. I'll do it, and then it will start to clean. This program, when now it's cleaning, it's I think 10 minutes. So I did press once and it's 10 minutes. As well, you have here the controller that by default it's spraying water, but if you don't, before turning it on, you need to press here. So I will show you around. I will stop it again and then I will show you. So it's stopped. So how you want to turn off the water? So you have here the controller, you have here this button for water, so you press it once. If you hear a few beeps on the robot, it means that it's enabled, so it will spray water. If you press and you just hear one noise, then one sound, one beep, it will not spray. but we want to spray in this case. So okay, it's like that. And then here as well you have a bunch of functions. You can do it yourself manually if you want. I prefer to put this one because this will do kind of a program. So let's put this one and see. So and now it will clean for around I think 10 minutes. So then after these 10 minutes it will stop. One thing I don't like on this one is that if after 10 minutes it will stop and it will not do nothing. So if you want to clean it for half an hour, the windows, then you will need always after 10 minutes to go there and press back again the button. At least it is what I noticed. If you had other experience, then just let me know in the comments, because from what I tried, because I already tried in a couple of windows before this one, so this was my experience. One thing that I noticed as well is that always use the safety cable, because sometimes when the robot goes into the corners of the window, it might fall. And in one window that I tried just now, I did three passes, so 30 minutes, 10 each. It did fall a couple of times, so always have that in mind. So if you are doing the outside, now we are doing the inside, it's quite okay. But if we will do the outside, then definitely have the safety cable. So now it will clean. I will fast forward, and I'm not an official reviewer, this is just my opinion and what I noticed, at least for me. So I'm not endorsed by this brand or anything like that, so this is just my honest opinion and the review from what I tried here at least in my place and in my windows. In general, this robot, it's quite okay for the price. Actually, it's my first one. I never tried another one, so I cannot so much compare with other brands and so on. But I'm quite happy with it. Like I said, the only things that I don't like, it's the every 10 minutes you need to press in the button to be able to do one more pass, and as well the corners doesn't clean it so well, but you cannot expect that it will clean everything perfect. So for me, this is it. Hopefully this video helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.